Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute. Soybeans are up modestly on Tuesday, essentially supported by follow-through commercial and technical buying from Monday's modestly higher close. At 90% complete, the trade is watching the tail end of harvest activity with drier but colder conditions expected in many areas over the next several days. A lot of areas should be able to wrap up at this point. Corn was fractionally mixed, also watching harvest activity and expecting decent progress. 70% of the corn crop is collected, so there is still quite a bit out there. Tuesday, unknown destinations did buy 130,000 tons of U.S. corn. And wheat was mixed. Chicago and Kansas City were down on profit taking. Minneapolis is mostly higher on spread trade and commercial demand. USDA's new supply, demand, and production numbers were out Thursday at noon Eastern, 11 Central. Live cattle were mostly lower and feeders were down ahead of widespread direct cash cattle business this week. There were a few bids reported at 193 on the dress basis in Iowa, but otherwise the major feeding areas were quiet. Widespread trade is not expected until the second half of the week. And hogs were down on the mostly lower cash business, the weak midday pork, and the large available supply of pork with demand uncertainties. I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute.